on YouTube? Welcome back to Beemer Fam. You guys join me here with the straight pipe BMW M4. And today we're gonna be taking this on a nice POV drive with a whole bunch of M cars. Everything from like 900 horsepower BMW M comps to G80s with full new Agile body kits and even tuned up X3M competitions. So since we've been driving with a lot of supercars and high-end cars in tight groups and formations, we've been getting a lot of stone chips on this car. I mean, this car almost has 70,000 miles as is. You can see there's one right there, there's another one right there, there's one down by the splitter. So I want to give a huge thanks to the sponsor of today's video, which is Touch Up Direct. They went ahead and sent us their full kit to go ahead and fix the rock chips on the M4. What I love about this kit, it comes in like a pen type form, so really user friendly, really easy to do by yourself. It comes with a base coat, a mid coat, and a clear coat. So it even comes with some gloves with a nice little logo on it. So we're gonna go ahead and throw these on. So here goes the base coat. You can see it's for BMW and it's mineral white metallic, which is what my car is painted in. So let's go ahead and give it a quick shake. Wow. So now you can see the front end is done. Before you can see there was a lot of dark chips. You can see it's completely white all down the middle. Even on this side was pretty bad too. That just looks so much better now. So if you guys are interested in fixing your car, make sure you use the links in the description or go to touchupdirect.com and go ahead and get your touch-up kit today. Let's be said, let's hop inside the M4, put some heat in the motor, and get on with today's POV drive. Flowers, just the wildlife out here is so beautiful. Oh, then you got an Aventador SV Roadster in balloon white. Nice AMG. Traffic for you. Listen to this. You know, I gotta say, I've always loved this generation of Lamborghini. The facelift Gallardo. It's like a baby Aventador. Oh my gosh, all blacked out. You can hear the spool of the turbos. Definitely twin turbocharged. Wow, and it's a Superleggera. It's a nice old school Porsche Speedster. Nice Ferrari. Man, as you can see, the M4 is parked up. We are back in California. Just got back from Michigan. We're getting a nice group of cars together. We're gonna be hitting a local car meet out in Agoura Hills. Let's go ahead and walk around, check out some of the cars that turned up so far at the first location. You can see the M4 is looking good, but man, this thing is filthy today. You get up close, you see all this rain, water, brake dust on the wheels. It's been about maybe almost 3 weeks since I've driven this car, so this will be the first drive back in this car. Two F80s right here. So we got a nice M2 competition in Sapphire orange, but then we got Kevin's M4 GTS in the satin gray color from factory paint. You guys may have seen recently we did his Lime Rock Orange E92 M3 at POV on that. Maybe we'll get to do one on this as well, but this thing just looks sinister. I mean, my car looks good, but just the whole aero, you know, the hood, the wing on this thing, the splitter, super aggressive. We got a few G80s over here, G generation. We have the G80 M3 competition in a nice green color, and then we have Sasha's 800 to 900 horsepower M8 competition. Jesus, this thing, man, it's been a minute since I've seen this thing. Obviously we did a drive on this one as well. What a car this is right here. A lot of fun. Same engine that's in our M6. This is a nice E92 M3, really clean Alpine white. We got the performance seat, BMW Performance 6-speed manual, nice orange G80 M3 competition. Gotta say, this is one of my more favorite colors on the G80 generation of the M3. This looks really good. This is an X-Drive, so this is the all-wheel drive, the super fast one. Oh my God, look at that GT3, banana yellow. Anthony boy, geez, new color. That looks sick. Wow, looks like a satin silver G82 M4. Oh my God. You can see another F80 pulled up, the red boy right here. BBS is on it. That spec is insane. Jesus, man. Oh my God, it's an X3M making all that noise. You can see we're turning this parking lot into like an M-Town meet again. Just look at the rear end on this F80. Perfect fitment on the wheels. Diffuser. Another M4 comp pulling in as well. The X3 making all that noise just a second ago. Sasha added the yellow DRLs on the front end of the car. Really looks cool with the black paint, or wrap I should say, but woo! Got another G80 pulling in. This one's got the orange accents, black on carbon fiber as well. Man, check out Anthony's G82 M4 with the Agile body kit. See, you can put the nice brake light on the diffuser, Valvetronic exhaust. Wow, this color is nice. More importantly, you can see on the front end, he has the new styled front grills. You see, before he had the red wrap on it. I think I like this wrap much better. Looks really good. You kind of see the grills better from this angle though. Oh my God, that looks so good. So pretty much everybody pulled up. We'll go ahead and hop inside the M4 and get on the road. Oh my God. And this is M-Town certified, so wow. So we got a group of around 15 M cars, maybe more. And we're heading out to a car meet out in Agoura Hills. So it's a grand opening for a shop. We're gonna go ahead and check it out, make some noise on the way. Wow, nice E46 M3 and an E36 M3. I'm not even sure if these guys are part of the convoy. It's just a random find. Wow, look at Anthony's G82. Wow. Oh my God. That is insane. So that's Sasha's almost Sasha's 900 horsepower M8 coupe. Oh my God. The sounds the day, guys. I've missed this. As I've mentioned before, it's been about 3 weeks since I've driven this car. I forgot how loud it was, first and foremost. But this car is just so fun, guys. Look at this sight. Even the X3M is super tuned up. I love the green on this F or G80 M3, and then also the orange. This orange one's X-Drive. Whoa, that is loud. It's not every day you see an SUV moving like that, huh? Jesus. Man, this is so sick. What a way to welcome back the M4 on the channel. Been away for 3 weeks, and this is my first drive. Just picture that for a minute. Oh, this is wild. Look at that. That color, that satin silver on the road. You guys are gonna have to let me know which one is your favorite M car you've seen here today. I mean, there's a lot to choose from. For me, it's tough, man. I always love Sasha's M8 competition, but geez, Anthony's G82, I don't know, man, it's tough. Man, that's one thing I have missed about California are the sights. Just look in front of me, look what we're seeing right now. Just beautiful, rolling hillsides, different colors in the hills. And then some M-Town action. We are pulled up to the event. We're gonna go ahead and park up, pull in, see what's here. And so as you can see, we got the M4 parked up, looking good, and we are back in M-Town. A sea of M cars are everywhere. But I will say we parked next to the only AMG that I've seen here today. Still looks good though. My buddy Danny had a white one of these. Love the cars. But man, as you can see, everything else is all M. But this right here is a nice M8 and a nice blue color as well. Got some of the classics back there. E36, E46. You can see Sasha's M8 parked up, just looking sinister. He's got the fans on because you saw how he was driving. But you guys know me. If you know me, you know I love the E39s, man. This right here, E38 7 Series V8. Gotta love these cars. The styling has aged so well on this generation. Just look at that. It's like a really dark, almost wine type red, like a blackberry type color. You look up close, you can see red flakes inside the paint. Really cool car right here. Damn, Kevin got the good spot. Got the garage spot. This thing looks good up in a shop. Then we can also see the interior of his car. Just Alcantara everywhere, roll cage. You even put a LED steering wheel and performance one on this car as well. This is the Euro Circuit shop. So you can see they got some pipes lined out. Shout out car and driver based out in Ann Arbor back home. And we can see a nice M4 CSL casually parked up. Which one would you guys take? I mean, GTS or CSL? Two very different cars, but it's tough. I'll probably have to go for the F80. Oh my God, look at this. E39 M5. Come on, the GOAT has arrived. And next to the E39 M5, we have a 2002 BMW Z8. So if you guys aren't familiar, this car was essentially remodeled after the original 507. The 507 was one of the first sports cars in BMW history. You can see the interior especially very reminiscent from that car. Man, red interior, just look at the steering wheel. Also the speedometer is right in the middle, 6-speed manual. This car also has the same motor from the E39 M5. S62, 4.9 liter natural aspirated V8. Just the styling on this car is insane. It's got the nice OEM Alpine wheels. It's pretty rare to see. Not only this car, the wheels on these cars are also super rare as well. So we come around back, that is insane, man. This is a convertible car as well. Today's video, if you guys enjoyed, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check us out on Instagram at Beemer Fam. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.